In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce licenses. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Salesforce to see how many licenses you have, how many are in use, what's still available, and when they expire, along with where to review related permission set and feature licenses. Start on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. In the top right corner, open the Gear menu and choose the Advanced Setup option to launch the full setup area. This takes you to the admin side of Salesforce, where all your org level details live. In the Setup sidebar, use the Quick Find search box and start typing company info. When company information appears in the results, select it to open your organization profile. On the company information page, scroll to the sections that summarize your entitlements. Look for the User Licenses section. This is the master list of all user license types provisioned to your org. If you want to tidy what you see, you can click the name column header to alphabetize the list, and you can click the status header to bring active entries to the top. Now locate the standard Salesforce user license in the list and click its name to view details. This is the core license most internal users rely on. On that license row, verify the status shows active so you know the entitlement is currently available. Next, review the total licenses column to see how many seats are included with your contract. You can click the total to drill in when a list is available, but the real operational view is in the counts just to the right. Used licenses and remaining licenses. Click the number under Used Licenses to see which users are currently consuming that license. This is helpful when you need to identify who might be reassigned or deactivated before adding new seats. Then check remaining licenses. Clicking that count gives you a quick sense of capacity left to assign without purchasing more. Finally, check the expiration date. Click the date to view details if a link is available, and make a note of it for renewal planning. Keeping an eye on this avoids last-minute surprises that can affect user access. Back in the user licenses list, review the specialized license types as well. You'll likely see entries such as Salesforce IQ Integration User, Identity, and External Apps Login. Click each of these names to confirm their status and counts. The Salesforce IQ Integration User license is typically reserved for a system or connector account. The Identity license is designed for users who only need identity services like single sign-on, and the External Apps Login license covers login-based access for certain external use cases. Checking these ensures integrations and authentication flows have the entitlements they need. While you're still on the company information page, scroll down to the Permission Set Licenses section. Open it to verify which permission set licenses are available in your org. These add specific capabilities on top of a user's base license, and they're often required to enable features like advanced analytics or specialized app permissions. Right below, visit the Feature Licenses section. Feature licenses toggle access to platform features that aren't their own user licenses. Reviewing both sections helps you troubleshoot access issues. If a user has the right user license but still can't reach a feature, the missing piece might be a permission set license or a feature license assignment. A few practical tips as you work through this. You'll need admin level access to view most of these details. Interpret the counts in context. Not every number is clickable, and some license types are pooled differently. When you find you're short on seats, check the used licenses list for inactive or test users before requesting more. And if you see an upcoming expiration date, coordinate with your procurement team early to avoid any disruption. That's it. You've navigated from home to setup, searched for company information, reviewed user licenses, drilled into totals, used, remaining, and expiration, checked key specialized licenses, and confirmed your permission set licenses and feature licenses. Now you can confidently track license availability and keep your users running smoothly.